back. Got a quick one for you today. If your Dyson ever pulls one of these, push the button, you see a red flashing light, that means your battery is dead. One of the lithium cells is gone. So today I'm going to go over real quick how to replace a battery on a Dyson. This is a V6 model, HEPA, and they should all be about the same. Now I do have to commend Dyson on their outstanding customer service and responding to my request for a new battery. All I had to do was give them the, my registration number, and this was here in a week. All right, first thing you do is you open a lock, push it down, and this will enable you to slide the entire canister out as such. There's a Phillips head screw right there. And there's one in the back right there. Voila, fixed. Hope that helps you. Good luck.